Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibe channel. If your JVC TV is showing no signal, don't worry, you're not alone. This issue can be caused by simple connection problems or settings you might have missed. In today's video, we'll go step by step through easy troubleshooting methods to get your TV back to showing your favorite shows in no time. So, stay tuned till the end for bonus tips that can save you hours of frustration. Step 1. Check your input source. First, make sure your TV is on the correct input or source. Grab your JVC remote and press the Input or Source button. You'll see a list of available sources: HDMI 1, HDMI 2, AV, or TV. Cycle through them until you find the one connected to your cable box, gaming console, or streaming device. Many no-signal errors happen just because the TV is set to the wrong source, so check this before anything else. Step 2. Inspect HDMI and cable connections. Next, take a close look at your HDMI cables. Unplug the HDMI from both the TV and the connected device, then plug it back in firmly. Make sure the cable isn't loose, bent, or damaged. If possible, test it using another HDMI port or try a different HDMI cable entirely. If your JVC TV has multiple HDMI inputs, try connecting to HDMI 2 or HDMI 3 to see if that fixes the issue. Step 3. Restart your devices. Sometimes, all your TV needs is a simple restart. Turn off both your TV and the connected device, then unplug them from the power socket. Wait for about 60 seconds before plugging them back in. Once everything is powered back on, your signal should return. This step helps refresh connections and clear any temporary software glitches. Step 4. Check TV settings and resolution. If you're still seeing no signal, go to your device settings, like your laptop, console, or streaming box, and check the display resolution. JVC TVs support standard resolutions like 720p, 1080p, or 4K, depending on the model. If your connected device is outputting an unsupported resolution, your TV may fail to detect the signal. Adjust it to match your TV's supported format. Step 5. Reset or update your TV. As a final fix, you can try resetting your JVC TV to default settings. Go to Settings, System Reset. This can clear software bugs or wrong configurations. You can also check for a firmware update if your TV has smart features. Outdated software sometimes causes connection errors. And that's it. Most no-signal issues come from incorrect sources or loose cables, so double-check those first. If none of these methods work, it might be time to contact JVC support or get your HDMI ports professionally checked. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart TV troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.